All right. What's going on, guys? So today we're talking about my new boat, the boat that I built. I've been posting videos on Instagram, been posting videos on my story. I've been talking about it on the channel every once in a while. But today I'm going to show you guys the grand unveiling of my new boat and what went down, how I spent all this money and how I built it. Talking about it right here in this video. It's a beautiful day here in sunny South Florida, and we're gonna take a little walk through my boat. I'm gonna talk about what we did, how we built it, and all of that fun stuff. First off, I wanna show you some clips of what the boat used to look like, what this boat was. This is a 1990 Mako. It's almost 30 years old. It's a 26-foot boat that has a bracket on the back, making it around a 28-foot boat now. So when I originally started working on it, this boat was in terrible conditions. The overall bones were good, but everything else, electronics, the motors, it all needed to be replaced. So that's what I did. I replaced everything from top to bottom, literally every single screw, every single bolt, new gas tanks, new water tank. Everything on this boat is brand new now, and you can see some of the clips here of us cutting it all up, stripping it, and doing everything, you know, really from top to bottom. This boat is a brand new boat now, and you can see all the work and effort. I've been working on this boat for basically the last 6 months, and finally it's almost complete. It's very, very close. It's like 99%. It'll never be 100% finished just because, you know, I'll always be tweaking and doing stuff on it. We'll take a look here today, kind of walk through, show you guys what it's all about, show you some clips of it running and all that. Basically right now we are behind my house. The boat is there in the water. When we take a look, we'll start at the front. That's a good idea. So we'll start here on the front of the boat. So here on the front of the boat, we've got plenty of rod holders. These are Tigris rod holders. Tigris is a sponsor of this boat, so big shout out to Tigris Outriggers and Eastern Metal Supply. Big shout out to those guys for hooking it up and making this boat look really, really nice. Also, we've got the SeaDek. So everything you're gonna see on the floor, all this material here, is called SeaDek. Really quickly, if you guys enjoy these fishing type of videos with boating or fishing or just in general, you know, fishing stuff, I'm starting a new YouTube channel. I'm still gonna be day trading and all that, but I will be starting a new channel just for fishing content. So make sure you guys check that out. There's a link down in the description. You know what you call it, like a high-end performance kind of EVA foam that you could put on the boat for traction and overall look. So it has got a really cool laser pattern in it, and we designed that basically custom for this boat. There's no other boat in the world, at least fishing boat, with this type of pattern. So I'm really excited about that, to have like a very, I don't want to say exclusive, but very unique looking boat. We got the blue and the dark gray up on top there, and then down here on the floor we've got dark gray and black. Also on the front there we've got the Aquatic AV speakers. These things are sweet, they are nice. I got a subwoofer there and then 2 speakers in the front. These things pop, you know, boom boom boom, kind of pop. We've also got the Lumitech lights, LEDs throughout. I've got a light bar here in the front and these 2 little lights, LED lights. And then underneath the gunnels, we've got LED lights as well. This boat looks amazing at night. Amazing at night. Also up top here, we've got the Simrad Halo 24 radar there up top. So I can see the birds, I can see the weather, I can see other boats and stuff like that when I'm out there riding around. We've got plenty of speakers throughout the boat, all the Aquatic AV speakers throughout the boat. There's a bunch of links I'll be putting in the video description down below talking about each product itself, if you want to check those products out. The name of the boat is the Essentials. It's kind of a cool play on the idea that my buddy has a boat called Quintessential that has 5 motors. You've seen that boat before, but that boat's called Quintessential. This boat's called the Essentials because it's basically everything you need to get out on the water, to fish and have a great time. We got the SeaDek on the front here, and I've got a little cushion there you can sit. So inside of here, you can see the wiring and stuff. You know, battery switches. We've got 4 batteries, we've got a charger, we've got the hooker pumps, we've got the Simrad electronics, we've got LEDs. I've got 3 amps from Aquatic AV as well. So 3 amps to power the subs and the speakers. Also on the side here, we've got a sub on each side of the console. We've got more Tigris rod holders throughout the boat. And this is probably my favorite part. Well, I've got two favorite parts. We've got the Simrads here. This is the NSS Evo 3s. We've got two Simrads, two 12-inch, I think they're 12-inch Simrads here. Simrad VHF as well, so I can talk to everybody when I'm out in the water. But my favorite part, we got a seat right there, we've got a steering wheel, we've got throttles, we've got another Simrad, we've got the GPS, we got the Sirius, we've got the antennas back there. Also, this allows me to basically drive, to see all the information on the Simrad. I can drive around, I can look for fish, and you can see how we're elevated. So I got more viewing room, higher perspective. We got the seat, you can sit up there, bring a friend. If you got a friend that wants to sit next to you up top, you can do that as well. So from there, we've got the Tigris XD riggers. These things are bad. The carbon fiber outriggers look really, really good here on the boat. Really easy to use. You can adjust them, they're all adjustable and all that. So we basically got this full custom tower that we had built. Entire tower is custom, like everything about it. We put the rod holes on, they're oval design. It looks really good, really stable, really sturdy. We've got more Lumitech lights there as well. Got my gaff. We got the Tigris cup holders there. Got the big cup holders, and then we've got more storage back here as well on the back. I don't want to keep saying my favorite part of the boat, but one of the really nice parts about this boat is that there's so much room back here, right? Look at all this room. Like this is like a lot of room back here. I can move that cooler underneath there. Basically back here, we've got live well. Oh, there's a beer there. We've got a live well over here. We've got a live well over there. We've got a live well in the floor. So the live wells allow me to keep the bait alive. If I got live bait, I can keep the bait alive by using the live wells, and they're massive. They're huge live wells, and it allows me to keep the bait alive. I've also got the freshwater washdown on that side, and then I've got the saltwater wash down on that side, so that way I can wash down the boat when we're fishing, or if I need some fresh water, I've got the fresh water. Got 67 gallons of fresh water. If I ever become stranded in the middle of the ocean, I should have enough fresh water to last me like a month. 67 gallons. I mean, if I drink a gallon a day, it's 2 months. So I could live in this boat for 2 months. I guess I would need food, but I'd probably catch food with the fish. But either way, we've got more speakers in the back here. Like I said, I got the speakers on the side of the console. We got plenty of rod holders. Got all the Tigris rod holders here. You can see, bam, bam, bam. Got the electric reel outlets under there, so I can go sword fishing. 300 Verado and another 300 Verado. And those are custom painted with the 19-inch props that I got from General Propeller. So big shout out again to General Propeller for hooking it up with those beautiful 19-inch props. You can see we got the SeaDek back here. Everything's really clean and tied in. The SeaDek really makes this boat look good. The SeaDek got this laser pattern in it. It really just brings this boat into the new age. And then underneath the gunnels, we've got SeaDek as well underneath the gunnels with the logos for the sponsors. So we've got SeaDek, Lumitech, Tigris, and Simrad as the main sponsors. The boat was built by South Florida Boat Center here in South Florida in Pembroke Pines. So you can definitely check those guys out. They do some awesome work from top to bottom. If you got $1 million boat, you got a $100,000 boat, they can help you out. And overall, yeah, we got the kind of bolsters here on the side. Got 2 gas tanks, talked about that already. We've got all the switches here on the front for everything and all that fun stuff. And basically, yeah, everything that I need, we got it. I got the trim tabs, we got the SeaDek. The nice thing is got the helm pad for the SeaDek here. It's like standing on a cloud, right? It's like standing on a cloud. A nice Dr. Scholl's cloud. Yeah, that's what it is. It's a cloud. So, yeah, I'm really excited about this boat. Really stoked to have this beautiful boat here in my backyard. It's basically a dream boat. When I built this boat, I built it to be everything that I wanted and more. This is the, I don't want to say quintessential, but it's the essentials. Everything that I need. It's clean, it's simple, it's easy to take out, fish all day long, run it around, catch fish, catch wahoo, mahi, swordfish, sailfish, everything. Got everything that I need dialed in here. So yeah, there it is. I'm trying to think what else I'm missing here. I think I got everything. Got the Lumitech, we've got the Tigris, we've got the Simrad, the SeaDek, everything pretty much dialed in here. So I'm gonna go, it's Sunday, it's sunny out. It's a little windy, so I might not go fishing, but I'm gonna go out and do a little cruise on the Intercoastal today. Have a nice little day. So there it is, my new boat. It's here, it's alive, it's real. Also, if you guys want to check out my new YouTube fishing channel, it's there's a link somewhere down below. There's a link. Check it out. I'll be posting more fishing YouTube videos on that channel. So if you enjoy these videos, make sure you check it out.